Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with a weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, March 11th, 2025. It's going to be very warm and dry once again today. Again, no impacts expected today. We're going to get a pattern change on Wednesday. And as we go through the key points, again, continued very warm today. Highs, many low elevations will get into the lower 60s. And then the next storm system, we're going to get a wave move through late Wednesday. Again, most of the day is going to be dry. We're going to start to see some precipitation late in the day Wednesday in the central mountains and continue Wednesday night into Thursday. We're getting a series of storms all the way through the weekend. We could see some significant snowfall for the next several days beginning late Wednesday in the mountains. Again, for the most part, no impacts today. For Wednesday, again, we're going to start to see that initial system move in with some late day rain in the valleys and rain mixed with snow in the higher elevations. Snow levels are going to start out around 6,500 to 7,000 feet on Wednesday, and then they will gradually drop Wednesday night through Thursday down to valley floors by later in the day on Thursday. Again, most of the impacts are going to be in the high elevations of the central mountains on Wednesday night, and then Thursday, again, snow levels will drop, so could see some travel issues throughout mountainous areas throughout the day on Thursday. Friday's going to be a little bit drier between systems. Light snow could be seen anywhere, mainly in the eastern areas, and then another system on Saturday could see some widespread but mainly light snow throughout all of southeastern Idaho. Looking at the satellite imagery, again, pretty good zonal flow today. Mostly high clouds throughout the region. And again, we're going to start to see more southerly flow, so it's going to be very warm today. High temperatures, again, in the upper 50s to lower 60s through the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley, and even in the mountains, mainly in the 40s, even in the lower 50s. Overnight lows tonight, generally teens, 20s mountains, and 30s in the valleys. Highs Wednesday, still mild, a little bit cooler than today, but much more cloud cover moving in, generally 30s to mid-40s mountains, lower to middle 50s in the valleys. Overnight lows Thursday, generally staying well above freezing in the lower elevations with 20s in the mountains. And then much cooler behind the cold front moving through on Thursday. Most of the high temperatures generally in the 30s mountains, even some 20s. Real high elevations, and mainly low to mid 40s in the valleys. Right now, here's basically total snowfall accumulation, initial outlook through 6 p.m. Thursday. Again, most of the real heavy snow is going to be high elevations. You can see in the central mountains. Again, most of this above 7,000 feet in the 6 to 16 inch range. Below 6,500, generally 2 to 4 inches. You can see Sun Valley, Stanley expected around 4 inches. Much lighter in the eastern mountains, but still very high peak levels. Could see some above 6-inch amounts. And a percent chance of 6 inches or more through 6 a.m. Thursday. Again, you see pretty high chance above 60% at Galena, but lower, below 7,000 feet, pretty much very minimal chances of getting more than 6 inches. 6 to 10 day outlook, the 16th through the 20th of March. Again, very high likelihood of below normal temperatures across Idaho, and also really good chance of above normal precipitation. So kind of getting into a colder and wetter period, basically Thursday through the March 20th time frame. So summarizing, once again, continued very warm, dry today. And we're going to see the pattern change tomorrow. Pacific storm system will begin to move in. We'll start to see rain and snow in the central mountains by Wednesday afternoon. Then the precipitation overspreading the remainder of eastern Idaho later Wednesday night through the day on Thursday. Again, some possible heavy snowfall above 7,000 feet in the central mountains. So again, mainly a high elevation event for the real heavy snowfall. And rain and snow in the valleys. probably will change to all snow late in the day on Thursday behind the cold frontal passage, and also some breezy to windy conditions behind the cold front on Thursday as well. That will conclude today's briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed below or visit our website or on social media. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.